Surgical care support is made easy by Uprise. From cataract surgery and laser procedures to foreign body and chalazion removals, all CPT-supported surgical procedures can be documented, coded, and billed with Uprise. Orders, scheduling, operative notes, prescriptions, patient counseling, and external provider communications can be documented and provided in just a few key selections. You can even voice dictate operative notes. Hello, I'm Kim Castleberry, and I'd like to show you how Uprise supports surgical care documentation, coding, and billing. Let's use chalazion removal in today's demo, but you can use any surgical CPT code. We can see here on the schedule we have a yellow visit, and you can hover over it and you can see that it's an appointment type for a surgery, and down in notes you can see it's for a chalazion removal. We can go over to the EHR slider bar. We can see the patient set up here at 2:15. Patient's already arrived and is here for surgery. We can go over to the EHR visit and see that our staff has already set up a visit type for surgery. We can review any allergies or medications that we need to. We can review the vital signs right here, seeing that the pulse rate, the weight, the temperature, blood pressure, and oximetry findings are all okay and ready for the surgery. And we can go ahead and select the chalazion procedure right here. It's available and ready for documentation. We'll go ahead and provide the procedure care, and then it's time to document the operative note. And I like to keep minor surgery operative notes set apart in a document for cutting, pasting into these areas. And so I'll go find that and cut and paste it into this area. And you can see here we've got a pretty detailed operative note here. Alternatively, many people still like to work with text-based documents, filling them out and just attaching them to documents here, especially when they're working in an outpatient or ambulatory surgical center apart from the office, and you may or may not have your EHR with you. You can look at those and see those right here. And here's an example of a good one right here, where we filled this out apart from the EHR, and we just simply attached it to the EHR right here. And we can go down here. If we have any orders for medications, they can be done here. E-prescriptions, paper prescriptions, whatever can be done right here. Patient counseling item selections can be done right here. And this is going to be sent to the patient portal so the patient can review what's going on here. And here we have a Rendia video on what just happened.
A chalazion is a small...
I won't bore you with the whole video, but that video will be available for the patient in the patient portal immediately after the visit. And we can see here that the coding and billing has already been done automatically with appropriate CPT code, quantity, diagnosis ICD-10 and 9, and associated with the proper insurance company. The print feature can be used to send a print out of the visit to any appropriate party, or you can use the CCD interoperability feature to give MIP support to any other provider down in orders. Then all you have to do is sign the chart, and the billing data is going to go over to the invoice. Once the invoice is closed, then the claim can be uploaded automatically to the carrier. And this should give you a quick overview of how we handle surgical care in Uprise. I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial on how to document surgical care with Uprise. I'm happy to answer any questions you may have, and feel free to contact me at the email below.